What is it? Not wrong.
No, there's a baby rabbit inside. Mummy Rabbit, is there really a baby rabbit in your tummy?
Yes.
Why
Would you like to
not?
listen to it?
Listen to
Yes,
it.
please.
Yeah.
Can you hear
I
it?
can hear it.
Yes, I can. It's going boom, boom, boom. Oh, it just moved.
Yes. Sometimes babies give a little kick. Nay.
What will
Nay.
I don't know.
I
Would
don't
your children
know.
like to think of a name?
Yes, please. Hello, Mummy Rabbit. Would you like a cup of coffee?
I can't have coffee, but I am quite hungry. Would you like a carrot? I'm a bit
No.
off carrots.
That's not
Would you like
right.
potatoes? Yes, we do.
You doing?
Potato with jelly and cheese and strawberry jam, please.
Yeah.
A potato with jelly, cheese and strawberry jam.
Find access to making the food.
We need to think of a name for the baby. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
If the baby is a girl, she'll
Yes,
be
I
called
am
Rachel
too.
Rabbit. Or how about
This
Rocket
one.
Rabbit, Roxanne Rabbit, Sharon Rabbit?
So, I don't think so.
Sharon Rabbit sounds wrong. I like
Really?
Rosie. Rosie Rabbit. It's
Okay.
perfect. But what if the baby is a boy? Oh. How about
This one.
Rabbit, Raymond Rabbit, Michael Rabbit?
And I say,
No. Robbie Rabbit. Yes, Robbie Rabbit.
okay, we're back. Pretty cool. Taking videos before. Seeing with the camera. A tapping. Using the points at the bottom here. The boxes in here at the side. You decided to send the whole thing. Hey, I got some. Check it out. You with the box open. These kind of ads is the sensitization with the box. We're trying to go to see the hospital to see the doctor. Oh, yeah. To the hospital to see the doctor. On the air. Quick.
Scented candles, yoga music,
No.
and enough food for 3 days. Don't panic.
This is the hospital.
Anyone in?
It's that one.
Hello, sister. What are you doing here?
Others on your way. Hold on there.
Better go inside then. Can I have one too?
Mr. Ball.